Titirshuhu dustaram mohat. Asmi. Asmi.
I am.
I am trying to cross an impossible thing with ignorance. What I am doing? Sagaram. What is Sagaram?
Ocean.
Dustaram Sagaram.
Mohat.
Dustaram Sagaram. Mohat Titirshuhu Asmi. I wanted to cross a very difficult and impossible ocean with my ignorance. I wanted to cross a bigger ocean. What is ocean here?
Knowledge or the
Raghuvamsham.
Raghuvansham.
The history of Solar dynasty is like a Sagaram. And Alpa Vishaya Mati, I'm the brain, I'm the one with a small little brain with little information, wanted to cross Raghu's dynasty with ignorance, by which? Why it is ignorance? Udupena, Udupa, Udupa. You know, ever heard a word called Udupa? Udupa is a small boat. A fisherman will just go to for like 10 meters or 20 meters distance with a small boat, right? Not kilometers, meters. There will be a small, the boat can made up of a cane, which is in a round in shape. You will see in old movies, a round in shape boat in the river. Yes. It will go, rotate, it will go moving around. That is called as Udupa.
It's almost like a kayak.
Almost like a tire, like in a saucer. It looks like a saucer.
Yeah, big basket.
Okay, big basket. Yeah.
Yeah, they also call it teppa, I think.
Teppa is flat.
Okay.
So Udupa is like a saucer, like the water stays here, it will be on the water. So Udupa. Thou Kalidasa is telling, Kwa Surya Prabhovo Vamshaha, Kwacha Alpa Vishaya Matihi, Titirshuhu, Dustaram Sagaram Mohat, Udupe Nasmi. I'm in a small boat, wanted to move the bigger ocean with a small boat, the help of a small boat. I wanted to go across the ocean with a small boat. What it is called as? Ignorance. Was Surya Prabhu Vamsha? Where is that dynasty and where am I? Did you find any Upamalankara here?
Yes.
What is Upamalankara? There are two things will be there in Upamalankara. Remember, Upamanam, Upameyam. Only two things will be there. Upamanam, Upameyam. Upamanam, Upameyam. Upamana, Upameya. Upamanam is example. Upameya is we are showing something which is lower, like a common thing. Like her face is like moon. Her face is like moon. Like will remind you it is Upamalankara.
So he is trying to say, he's trying to write about Raghuvansham. Like somebody that's trying to cross the ocean in a small boat.
Yes.
Where is this ignorance word? It's not
Mohat. There. He can't go across the ocean. Still he is trying.
Mohat.
Moham, ignorance.
Is that moham is ignorance or
doing something even though you know that it is impossible, still you are trying with ignorance is called as moham.
I see.
But also the Acharyaji, Alpa Vishaya Matihi, that is Udupe, those are like small, both are, I am with a small knowledge, and also Udupa is also small.
Excellent.
And then
Super. So he is telling that like Sagaram is big, Raghuvamsham is big. Me is a very small person with a little mind, with in a small boat. What I am trying to do, Titirshuhu, to go across. Means I want to study the entire Raghuvamsha, and writing a book on Raghu's Vamsha, Rama's dynasty is like, ignorant boy trying to cross ocean with
So Kwa means, is it like the Hindi word kaha? Kaha Suryavansh, kaha mai?
very good. Kaha, ये kwa kaha हो गया. Fantastic. Repeat again. Kwa Surya Prabhavo Vamshaha.
Kwa Surya Prabhavo
Vamshaha.
Vacha Alpa Vishaya Matihi.
Vacha Alpa Vishaya Matihi.
Tidirshuhu Dustaram Mohat.
Mohat.
Urupenasmi Sagaram. You consider Kalidasa, how humble he is, how simple he is, how great. Before starting a poem, he just already seeked knowledge of words and meanings. In the second shloka itself, he showed his humbleness. How beautiful he is. Don't think like that. He's a great commercial mind. I wrote a paper on Kalidasa's marketing strategies, I think in 2012 or 13. Marketing strategies of Kalidasa. When I'm doing my MBA, I just use this paper. So, beautifully written. Look at the next shloka.
But what is written? What is the prose written there, Acharya? Prose. The prose below this sarga.
Okay.
Prabhavasya.
You wanted to know what it is? Chalo. I'll read it.
One reading will help us.
You try to analyze what it is. Okay.
Yeah.
I will read it. Prabhavati asmaditi prabhavaha karanam rudorap akartaricha karake sanyayam iti sadhuhu suryaha prabhavo yasya saha surya prabhavo vamshaha. Surya prabhavo, what is the meaning of surya prabhavo vamsha? Suryaha prabhavaha yasya, in which surya born, that vamsha is called as Surya Prabho Vamshaha. Alpo Vishayo Jneyo Ardho Yasyaha Sa Me Matihi Prajna Chakwa. What is Matihi? Prajna, knowledge. Alpo Vishayo Yajneyo, the mind which can learn only a smaller things. Mind which can learn, ability of learning only a smaller thing is called as Alpamati or Prajna. Dvau kwa shabdau mahadantaram suchayataha. Why two kwa shabdas are used in the shloka? To tell the distance between, or antaram, differences. Where is that vamsha and where I am? To tell the difference. Dvau. That's why the Kalidasa used two kwa shabdas, or else one shabda is enough. He used the second kwa shabda to just indicate the difference. Dvau kwa shabdau mahadantaram suchayataha. Surya Vamsham akalayitum na shaknomi ityarthaha. The intention of telling this line, Kwa Surya Prabho Vamshaha, Kwa Chalpa Vishyamati. Why he said that? Because Surya Vamsham akalayitum, to just go across all the Surya Vamsha kings, na shaktaha, to tell that I am unable to merge or to read or churn out the entire Vamsha for that. Tadhacha. Okay. So next one. Tadhacha. Tad Vipaya Pratibandha Nirupanam. Vishaya Pratibandha. Tadhacha Tad Vishaya Prabandha Nirupanam. Tell that the Raghuvamsha is that much contented. To tell that the Raghuvamsha is contented, Kalidasa explained this line. Tu durapastam iti bhavaha. Durapastam, we left it behind. So there are some things which go beyond, we leave it. Na? In that way, Raghuvamsha is such a huge thing which we can't go through, so which was left over. Tathahi dustaram taritum ashakyam. Dustaram, what is dustaram? Taritum ashakyam dustaram. ashakyam, impossible to cross, is called as dustaram. What is the meaning of dustaram? Taritum ashakyam. Ishadushup, it is a sutra. Ityadina swalpa pratyayah, khal pratyayah. Sagaram mohad ajnanad udupena plavena. Ocean with ignorance, ajnanena ignorance, udupena plavena. To just want to float with a small boat. Udupantu plavah kolaha iti amaraha. What is amaraha?
Die.
Forever.
Amara Kosha, it's a dictionary. He is bringing what is Udupa. Udupam to plavaha, a floatable thing. Udupam means a small floatable thing. Is also called as kolaha. Udupam tu plavah kolaha iti amaraha. Adhava charmavanadhena panapatrena. What is this panapatram?
Like a cup.
Like a small cup. Athava, or it is called as charmavanadhena panapatrena. It is made up of something which will not, where water will not touch, to which water will not touch. It looks like a panapatra, something we used to drink. Charmavanadha mudupam plavah kashtam karandavat iti sajjanaha. Another scholar told, in another dictionary, it was told like charmavanadham udupam plavaha kashtam karandavat. Udupam is floatable thing. Plavaha kashtam, it is made up of stick or wood. Karandavat, it looks like a saucer. Titirshuhu, what is the meaning of other word? Titirshuhu, here is titirshu. Titirshuhu taritum ichuhu asmi bhavami. I'm in intention of crossing it. Intention of crossing is called as titirshu.
Titirshu.
Taratehe satra sannantat pratyayah. It is another grammar. Taratehe san antat ut pratyayah is another pratyaya from grammar, Vyakarana Patra. Next. Alpasadhanaihi adhikaram bho na sukara iti bhavaha. What is the meaning of telling this titirshu dustara moha? It is alpasadhanaihi, very with less tools. Adhikarambha, we wanted to move something, move a bigger boat with a small hand. Moving a bigger boat or bigger building with a small hand, like impossible thing. To tell that to move a bigger building with a small hand is impossible. In the same way, crossing the ocean with a small boat is also impossible. Idam cha vamshotkarsha kathanam. Why he told this shloka? Kwasurya prabhavo vamshaha kvachalpa vishayamatihi yatirshuhu dustaram mohat udupe nasmi sagaram. This is Kavi Hridayam. What is a Kavi Hridaya, heart of a poet? Vamsha Utkarsha Kathanam, telling about my book is great. So Prabandha Mahatwardhameva. He is explaining the Vamsha's dynasty's greatness because of telling that he did a great work. Did you know what is his commerciality here?
Yeah, he is trying to sell that it is very difficult.
To tell that is very difficult, which is I'm doing it means like it's not, very difficult task to me, but I did it. He did not telling that I did it, but we need to understand that. So Prabandha Mahatvameva Taduktam Pratipadya Mahina cha Prabandho hi Mahattaraha. A book will be great by its content, it seems.
It's called passive aggressive.
Prabandho hi Mahattaraha. Book will be great when the content Pratipadya Mahimna, content is great. Vikshapati ji, now you understood better Kalidasa.
Yeah, but it is more difficult than the Sarga itself.
Why?
Sarga is simple.
Previously in the last year, Shabda is difficult. Now Shloka is difficult. After learning Shloka, commentary is difficult. After learning commentary, writing will be difficult, writing poetry.
Right, okay.
Acharya ji, this reminds me, the Sanskrit, you don't just say it, you sing it, right? It's like singing.
Shloka, you have a meter you can sing, but Vyakhyana you can't sing.
I see.
Prabhavatyaspaditi prabhavah karanam. This is a dialogue.
Okay.
I can't sing it. Next shloka. Hey, where we jumped from first shloka to second. There's another wrong paper. Now, this is the third one. Hey, from here the paper is straight. That's it. Okay, easy. Fine. Look at the third shloka. What is the third one?
Mandaha.
Very good.
Kaviyashaha.
Very good.
Arthi.
Prarthi, very good.
Yeah.
Gamishya.
Kamishyami. Upahasyatam. Gamishyami.
Apahashyata.
Upa.
Upas.
Upa. Gamishyami. Upa. Gamishyami. Upa. Gamishyami. Upa. This is Yana Desha Sandhi. Gamishyami. Upahasyatam. Next.
Pranshulabhye.
Phale. Narayan Bhaji. It is not fa. It is
Pramshulabhye.
there is no letter fa in any of Indian languages.
And what is it?
Phale.
Yeah.
Phale.
Okay. Phale. Phale.
Pa
Okay.
pha.
Okay.
Ah.
Phale. Okay. Lobad. Judahu.
Udbahu. Udbahuriva.
Ahuriva.
Vamanaha.
Pamanaha.
If there is a question rises that why are you writing this book? If someone tells that for fame, why are you doing a bigger task to get name, to get popular? General people will expect that, right? If I Kaviyashaha to get a fame of a poet, Prardhi expecting, if I am expecting the fame of a poet, then I'll be Mandaha. What is Mandaha?
Mandabuddhi.
Mandabuddhi, you are a fool. Why? Apahasyatam Gamishyami.
Apahashyam.
What is Apahasyam? Ridicule. I'll be ridiculed. I will be ridiculed. Gamishyami. If I tell that I wrote this book for the name as a good poet, then I'll get ridiculed. As for every shloka, I'll give example, na?
Pramshulabhye.
Pramshulabhye phale. Pramshulabhye phale. Lobhat. Again, what is lobham here?
Greed.
Greediness. Udbahuriva vamanaha. There is a tree and there is a fruit which will be obtained only by a tallest person. Pramshu is a taller. Labhye,
Obtain.
obtainable. Phale,
Fruit.
phale, phalayoho, phaleshu, on the fruit. On the fruit which is obtained only by a taller. But what I am doing as a Vamana, Vamana means a dwarf.
Short.
Okay? He is who raises both hands and jumping to attain it. So what is phala here?
Raghuvansha.
Result.
Kaviyashaha.
Ah,
Success of a poet.
name and fame and position of a poet is a phala, which is only able, like capable by a tallest person, means great scholar. If I go for this, I'll be ridiculed as if I'm a small drop raising two hands and jumping to touch it.
Udvahuriva, what is that word?
Bahu means
Oh, okay.
Udbahu, raising two hands, a small boy. Generally, I'll see the same example in temple. A small boy will come, want to hit that, ring the bell.
Udvahuriva.
We know that he can't jump. Even he knows that he can't touch it, but he'll try. What we'll do? We'll laugh at him. someone will come and lift him up, then only he'll ring. In the same way, there's a fruit that is Kaviyashaha. If I tell that I'm just writing this poetry, writing this kavya for the good name and fame, it is like a small drop jumping to get a fruit which is only we can say available to a tallest person. To tell that again, coming to the Vyakhyana. Hope you understand. So repeat once again. Mandaha Kaviyasha Prarthi Gamishyami Upahasyatam
Gamishyami upahasyatam
Pramshu Labhye Phale Lobhat
Labhe phale lobhat
Udbahuriva Vamanaha Kincha Mandaha Mudhaha. What is the meaning of Manda?
is a mudha.
Mudha means
Less.
fool.
Less. Yeah.
Fool. See, he is giving example. He is giving the Amara example also. Reference in Amara Kosha. Where is Mudha was written? Mudha Patu Nirbhagya. Mudha Alpa Apatu. Mudha fool Alpa less minded. Apatu who got no recollection capacity. Nirbhagya unlucky. Mandasyuhu all are considered as Mandaha. A fool, a less-minded person who got no intelligence and no luck are called as Mandaha. Tadhapi Kaviyashaha Prardhi. Even though I am of Alpa Buddhi, all told that I am a less mind previous shloka. Kaviyashah Prardhi. Kavinam Yashaha Kavya Nirmanena Jatam Tat Prardhana Shiloham Pramshuna Unnata Purushena Labhye Prapye Phale Phala Vishaye Lobhat Udbahuhu Phalagrahanayo Chita Hasto Vamanaha Kharva Iva. As a small boy, I am trying to attain a fruit which is attainable only to a tallest person. Kharvo Hrasvascha Vamanaha. In Amara Kosha again there is a line. Kharvo Hrasvascha Vamanaha. To tell what is Vamana, Kharva, Hrasva, both indicates small things. Upahasyatam, Upahasa Vishayatam. The content will be ridiculed. It's called as Upahasyatam. Ruhalor Nyat Iti Nya Prachayaha. Again is going to grammar reference. Gamishyami, Prapsyami. What is the meaning of Gamishyami? Is not going. Prapsyami, I may get that. Mandaschet Tarhi Yajyatam Ayam Udyoga Itaha. Remember, if anything above the shloka, it tells what he is going to explain in next shloka. The line indicates what he is going to explain in next shloka. Chalo, let's continue here only. Repeat the shloka once again. Mandaha Kaviyashah Prardhi.
Kaviyasha Prardhi.
Okay, I have a doubt. I have a doubt. When I'm reading this Vyakhyana, how many are able to access or understand what was told in shloka? Just raise your hands. At least 50%?
Yes, we are able to correlate both the things.
Little. Okay. So why the importance of Vyakhyana, particularly from my perception, what I learn is, he will give the references. What is Mudha? I'll get another 2 words for Mudha now. What are they? Mudha, Alpa Patu,
Alpa.
Nirbhagya, Manda. I got some words for it.
We need another dictionary to understand that.
Yeah, instead of another dictionary, you are learning here itself. Na?
The Vyakhyana has so many words that we don't understand.
That's okay, but at least you are able to understand the shloka and its different words. This is what we got, developing a language.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's useful to develop language.
So what is Vamana? He told about Vamana. What is Vamana? You know Vamana Avatara.
Yeah.
Vishnumurti's Avatara is called as Vamana Avatara.
Kharvo.
Why he is called as Vamana Avatara? Because Kharvo, he is small. Harasvo, he is little. So he is Vamanaha.
What Pramshu? Where did Pramshu come from?
What it is? Pramshu. Pramshu. Pramshu is a taller person.
Hmm.
Pramshu is taller person. Prapye. See here he gave na. Pramshuna. Unnata Purushena. He clearly gave. Pramshuna. What does it mean by Pramshuna?
Unnata Purusha.
Unnata means
Tall.
taller person. Unnata Purushena labhye prapye phale. On the fruit which is only attainable by a tallest person. Okay. No word will be left in Vyakhyana. Remember. Every word will be explained. Next. Can you read the shloka? Manda Kaviyasha, everybody. Manda Kaviyasha Prardhi.
Manda Kaviyasha
Kaviyatah Prabdhi.
Gamishyami Apahasyatam.
Gamishyami
Ishyami.
Pramshulabhye Phale Lobhat.
Pramshulabhe Phale Lobhat.
Udbahu Rivava Manaha.
Udbahu Riva Vamana.
Fantastic, fantastic. Okay,
Bhajan
next.
is-
Ah,
So is it apahasyam or is it upahasyam?
Upahasyatam Gamishyami.
Right, but
Upahasyatam.
I think in Telugu we apahasyam. I guess we
Apahasya is
use
also a Sanskrit word.
that. Okay.
Hmm. Apahasya is laughing in some commenting, like what you can say, ridiculous, other thing. Upahasyatam. Upahasyatam is like the same, but closer to the apahasya.
Okay.
Hmm. Mandaschet. If Kalidasa is a manda, manda means
Dull.
Slow.
another word for manda.
Slow. Shigra manda.
No.
Slow.
Here, Mudha, Alpapatu, Nirbhagya, Manda. Go to this reference immediately. Okay. So you have here only, that's why I asked. If Kalidasa is Manda, Tarhi, what is Tarhi?
Therefore, there.
So,
Oh, yeah.
Tyajyadamayam Udyogaha. Why are you writing this poetry? If you are Manda, if you are a little boy, if you are a Murka, why are you trying to do this? You can leave it, na? Why you are not leaving it? The question rises. So Kalidasa, what is doing? He questioned himself and telling an answer. You may think that I may quit the job if it is tough, but adhava pakshantare, or else krutavak dware. Once again, repeat after me. Adhava
Va.
krutavak dware
Utava.
Dware.
Dware.
vamshe
Vamshe.
asmin
Asmin.
Asmin.
purvasuribhihi.
Purvasuri.
Purvasuribihi.
Purvasuribhihi.
Purvasuri.
Vasuribihi.
Okay, you can tell in another ways. Adhava
Athava.
pakshantare. If not, krita. What is krita?
Done.
Did a job done.
Yeah.
Vak dware. What is vak?
Telling.
Talking.
Talking. Dwara.
Door.
Adhava, or else what I can do, if I can't do something, at least I can see. If I can't travel or I can't churn out the entire Raghuvamsha, at least I can follow someone's route. It is easy, right? If there is no path, creating a route is difficult. If already road is there, then what I can do? I can go Kurta Vag Dware. You know something? The path is already done. Vak Dware. The Margam was prepared with words. By whom? Purva Suribhihi. What is Purva?
Before.
Suri.
Yeah.
Suribhihi. Scholars. Okay. Purva Suribhihi. Ancient scholars Vamshe, asmin vamshe means which vamsha?
Of this Vamsha, Surya
Raghu
Vamsha.
vamsha or Ikshvaku vamsha.
Yeah.
Okay. Purva Suribhihi asmin vamshe kruta vagdware. They made a path with their words. Who did that? Who explained about Rama's dynasty earlier than Raghu, earlier than Kalidasa?
Vyasa.
Valmiki. Vyasa read Mahabharata. So what is the intention of Kalidasa? If I can't churn out or if I can't just take out the entire Raghuvamsha, at least I can just pass through the path created by old scholars. Who is old scholars here? Valmiki. Adhava kruta vak dware asmin vamshe vamshesmin purva suribhihi. If not, I can't create a new path. At least I can pass through the path of words created by old scholars. For everything, he'll give example now. See what example he is giving here. Manau. What is Manau?
Diamonds or I don't know.
Okay, is Manau.
Now, in like
The Shabda,
Two-
what is
two-
the Shabda? Mani
Two of
Shabda.
them.
Money.
Money.
right in
Okay.
the
Right?
in
Oh, very good. In money. In Harau Haryo Harishu. Manau Maniyo Manishu. In the money, Vajra Samutkirne. What is Vajra?
Diamond.
Samutkirna.
Karana.
Okay. Samutkirna means drilling it with a Vajra. There is a big diamond, money. It is drilled with the Vajra. You know, na? A Vajram Vajrena Bhidyate. A diamond can be cut only with a diamond. No other needles are useful. So, Manau Vajra Samutkirne. A diamond was drilled with a little Vajra, like a needle. Sutrasye Vasti Me Gatihi. Me Gatihi. What is Gati? Gati.
Going like
Going, very good. Going, passing. How my passing in Raghuvamsha is, you know, is like Sutrasya Iva Asti. Asti is there. Iva, like, everywhere he uses Upama Alankara, so Iva will come. Iva is Upama Alankara.
Sutra.
Sutrasya Iva Asti. Sutra means?
principle, like
Thread.
principle.
No.
Thread.
No,
Thread.
principle.
Swami. Sutra means thread.
Oh, okay.
It will be very thin, so he called as formulas are called as sutras because they'll be so thin. No, not longer. Sutra is called as sutra because they are so thin and little. Me gatihi, my just going is like a sutra, like a thread from the money which is already drilled by other people. Ramayana, Rama's Vamsha is like a diamond. Old scholars, what they did, they drilled it. What I'm doing, I'm just passing through like a thread. Previously, Kalidasa, it's a great work. I can't do very alpa vishaya. Now he's telling, okay, I did not churn it out, but already scholars made a path of words. I'm traveling through it like a small thread. Manau Vajra Samutkirne Sutrasye Vasti Me Gatihi. My path is so clear, which already drilled by the Valmiki, etc. scholars. I'm just passing through as a thread. Okay, Swami, repeat once again. Athava Kruta Vak Dware.
Dware.
What is Dwaram? Vak Dwaram, Shabda Dwaram. Athava Kruta Vak Dware. Vamshesmin Purva Suribhihi. Who did the path? Purva Suribhihi. Now you got another word for Pandita. What is the meaning of Pandita?
Suribhi.
Suribhi.
Turi, Suri, very good. Manau Vajra Samutkirne. In the diamond, it is already drilled by another diamond. Sutrasye Vasti Me Gatihi. My Gati is like Sutrasya Iva Asti. My Gati Sutrasya Iva Asti. Is it nice, Swami?
What Samutkirne is that?
Drilling. Utkirna. Someone who toughly prepared a path from the diamond. A thread will not do anything to the diamond. It will not go pass through the diamond. But already if there is a path in a bead, it is very difficult to fit a diamond. But if already drilled.
So Utkirna is drilling?
Drilling. Manau Vajrasa Mutkirne Sutrasyevasti Me Gatihi. Is it nice?
Very nice.
Shall we go to the Vyakhyana or shall we go to the next look?
So he wanted to say that
Which one?
though he is not competent to drill a Vajra, but he can tie it like a sutra. Is it that?
If a bigger ship is going, you can tie your boat to the ship, na?
Yes.
So there is every possible way for impossible things. There are some possibilities for impossible things. So,
Yes.
Adava, if you can't do that, you can do this. If you can't do that, you can do this. Adava, Pakshantare, Purvaihi Suribhihi, Kavibhihi, Valmikadibhihi, Krutavak Dware, Krutam Ramayanadi Prabandha Rupa, Ya Vak Sa Eva, Dwaram Pravesho, Yasya Tasmin. Hope you are able to understand the Shabdas and all here. Adhava, Pakshantare, Purvaihi Suribhihi, Kavibhihi, Valmikadibhihi, Krutavak Dware. What is Krutavak Dware? Krutam Ramayanadi Prabandha Rupa. They did Ramayanadi Prabandha Rupa. Ya Vak. Those wordings. Sa eva dwaram parveshaha. That is a path, entrance door to go into the Ramayana. So Valmiki made a big door of Ramayana. I am entering through the Ramayana to tell the great dynasty of Surya, Rama. Asmin Surya Prabhave Vamshe Kule. He told Vamshana, which Vamsha? Surya Prabhave Kule, bigger Vamsha. Janmana Ekalakshanaha Santano Vamshaha. Why he is giving importance to it? I'll tell the importance of the Vamsha later. We'll leave it. What he's telling is only one child, it seems. Only one child for one father. They just made it great. Vajrena Manivedha Suchaka Vishayena. Vajrena Manivedhaka Suchaka Vishayena. Vajram Twastri Kulisha Shastrayo. He gave another example like Vajram to Astri Kulisha Shastrayo. Previously, they used to add a Vajra to a arrow, it seems. When kings are doing archery, they used to add a small Vajra in the tip of the arrow. Why?
Vajra is poisonous, right?
It can break anything, right? Money can break anything. That's why they used to do. Mani Vedhe Ratna Bhede. What is Mani Vedha? Ratna Bheda. To drill the diamond. Iti Keshavaha. Another scholar wrote dictionary. That's called Keshava is a scholar. He wrote that. Samutkirno Vidhe Manau Ratne Sutrasya. Vidhe Manau. Samutkirne already drilled. Manau in the Vajra. Ratne Sutrasya Iva. Ratne Sutrasya. Already drilled Ratna. A thread is my passing. Me, Mama, Gatihi, Sancharaha. What is the meaning of Gati? Sanchara. Sanchara? Moving. Gati, moving. Same meaning.
Same meaning.
Varnaniye Raghuvamshe Mama Vak prasaro asti ityarthaha. Going into the diamond is what? Mama vak prasaraha. My poetry asti. Raghuvamshe, in the diamond, mama vak prasaraha. Thread. My words are like thread in Raghuvamsha. My words are like thread in a diamond called Raghuvamsha. Athava krutava.
at the same time,
Swami, you are telling something, Bhikshapati Swami.
yeah, at the same time, he's belittling that he is only thread, but he also says that without thread, ratnas cannot be tied.
Yes.
Is it so?
It's not like that, but intention is already, he is giving respect to Valmiki.
Valmiki.
To tell that such a great work, already path, very difficulty path was created by Valmiki. I'm just passing through it. So in this shloka, he is telling the importance of Kali, Valmiki. If there is no Valmiki, there is no entrance to Ramayana, and I can never pass through it. Athava krutavak dware.
Athava krutavaktvare.
Vamshesmin purvasuribhihi.
Purvasurihi.
Manau vajra samutkirne. Putrasye vasti me gatihi.
Vasti me gati.
Nice, nice.
Vasti me gati.
Did you find any use in reading Vyakhyana?
Yes, Acharya, I think we are trying to expand our understanding of Sanskrit. So that helps us.
First thing
Vyakhyana.
is you will understand new words.
New.
I wanted to introduce you kavyas because of this reason. Now you
Yes.
can't go to Shabdas, Vyakarana, Dhatu, etc. Now you can do it. So you'll get introduced to new Shabdas, new Dhatus, and new terminologies, and you'll understand the poet Kavi Hridaya. If you next time you find any shloka, is easy, you know, oh, you know the word. I heard this word somewhere.
Yes.
Even though little
Actually.
boring in the initial stages, but you know, if you love, if you learn, if you love finding new words, even now I'm enjoying a lot. Even though after I read many times, still I'm enjoying. Okay. Shall we conclude here? It's 10, or shall I go to the next one? Next one shloka. Or let us have some other discussion.
Yeah, what's a pakshantare here?
Paksham, wow, fantastic. What is Paksham?
Adhava pakshantare.
Paksha, what is meant by Paksha? Do you ever heard word called Paksha?
Section.
I think it's a Shukla Paksha and
Very good.
The
Do
section.
you know
yeah.
what is Pakshi?
A bird.
Is there any similarity between Pakshi and Paksha?
Yes.
What, Swami? A Pakshi which has two Pakshas.
two parts. Okay.
A Pakshi means who has two Pakshas is Pakshi.
Interesting.
Now tell me what is Paksha?
Wings. Pakshantare.
If someone tells sweet is good, some other person says, no, you'll have diabetes. He says, no, you have a medicine for that. He says, prevention is better than cure. Some other else, okay, let us have sweet, but in a little quantity. Some other, okay, do one thing, eat, live eating rice and eat sweet. Now what's happening?
Two sides of the argument.
Yes. Super. So you find it in Vedanta actually. Or in Shastras, they'll talk, they'll discuss. In Vyakarana, there's a first discussion that tell why Vyakarana is it needed? The other one, yes, it is needed because of it clarifies your discussions, words. The other one tells what is the meaning of clarification? Why is it if some other person is understanding me, is grammar required? If a person is already understanding me, is grammar required? Then results, yes. Even a person who is dumb, a person who can't talk, like Muka. Are you not able to understand his language? Are you not able to understand his feelings? Are you not able to understand his expressions? Then why language and why grammar? Then, so in this way, the pakshas will fight. In spirituality, in philosophy, they discuss, where is God? He tells God is everywhere. The other one, the paksha speaks, how can you tell that God is everywhere? He tells, because he is everywhere like air. He tells, yeah, you always give examples which are not seen. He tells, okay, let us assume that God is like brain, buddhi. If you have buddhi, show me. Then in that way. So paksha. Now pakshantare. Till now, he told like it is difficult. I can't go through it. If I tell that I am writing it for good name, it will be like a small drop jumping to get a fruit which is capable only to a taller person. Pakshantare, in other view, in other side of the argument, or in the other side of the story, or the other side of the coin, that is pakshantare. Everything has two pakshas, it seems. In house there are two pakshas. What are they? Who are they?
Wife and husband.
Lakshma Reddy ji, Vikshawati ji, you are enjoying. Two pakshas. Let us buy a Samsung 50, like 75 inches TV. No. 75 inches is not better. Better we buy a 100 inches TV, but not the company you said, but let us buy a Sony TV. What we'll eat today? Let us have chapati today. Chapati is very difficult. Let us eat idli today. So pakshas are common everywhere. Whether it is poetry, whether it is life, or whether it is philosophy, whether it is discussion, whether it is research, everywhere pakshas are common. Without paksha, there is no pakshi. With no pakshas, no shastra, no system, no argument, no matter.
Yes.
Nice. Had a good discussion today, Swami. Hope you enjoyed today's class.
Yeah.
Yes. Acharya.
Acharya, I mean, one suggestion I make is, I mean, in the sense that we are still struggling